Say goodbye to creasing concealer once and for all. Here's how to do it. First, you're going to spray your concealer brush with setting spray. Then you're going to pick up a tiny little amount of the concealer with your brush and then apply the first bit to the inner eye. So most of the concealer is going to stick right there. Then we'll take that little bit that's left on the brush and work it under the eye wherever you feel like you need a little coverage. And if your brush dries out, just get a little bit more setting spray. The setting spray will actually thin out the concealer a little bit, making it more spreadable and less likely to crease up. And then once it dries, it will seal it in place. But remember, with setting spray, you have to do it in the right order, otherwise you're removing makeup instead of applying it. So spray your brush, then dip it into your concealer, then apply it. If your brush begins to dry, spray with more setting spray. Traditionally, we're just using too much concealer, and you really need to practice using the tiniest amount possible. The setting spray will help because it'll make a tiny little bit stretch a long ways. Give it a try.